Welcome back to our show. We are at the learners box and we are explaining the usage number 2. Alright, so present perfect continuous, we also use it to explain an action that has recently stopped and which explains the present situation. So it has stopped just a minute or just a short time, but it is used to explain the present situation, like the action right now. All right, so I blah 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 these heavy bags. That is why I am tired. So we will use present perfect continuous right over here. I have been carrying I've been carrying these heavy bags. So it is in the past. Alright, in the past, and it has stopped. I have been carrying and it has stopped. It happened in the past and just stopped maybe just a minute ago. And just, alright. That is why I am tired. Means the action now. The events, the thing that has happened now. Alright. That made us feel or something like that. Alright, so we have finished the learners box, and remember the two usages of the present perfect continuous. And also, okay, so we will do the exercise number 4 and page 37, and I think we will do 1, 2, and 3, or just 1, 2, and 3, and just because 4, 5, 6 just the same, and this exercise does not tell you much to do. It is just practice about the present perfect continuous. Then we will move to the second learners box. Alright, so we'll do only 1, 2, and 3. So this exercise is easy. They give us the word 6 words, and we'll match with 6 blanks, and what we will do is to put the 6th word into the 6 blanks. Then we will form it into present perfect continuous so that it will be the correct structure. So that, okay, so now we will do it right now. First one, you will blah 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 that computer game for hours. Haven't you finished yet? So computer game, we only play it. We don't drink computer games. We don't eat computer games. We don't wear computer games. Or we don't work with computer games. So we only play with it. We don't pull it. No. So so we'll choose the word play right over here, and we'll form it into present perfect continuous. It will be you have been playing computer games for hours. So you've been playing computer games for hours. Number 2, I feel sick. I blah 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 chocolates all day. So we have used the word play. We use the word play. I feel sick. I drink chocolate. No, we cannot use I eat chocolate all day. So we'll form it into present perfect continuous right now. It will be I have been eating chocolates all day. Alright? I have been eating. Number 3. I am sure you passed your exams. You blah 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 all term. Alright? Okay. You drink all term? No. You pull all term? No. You wear all term? No. It will be you work all term. Like you have do it, you have work for it, and sure with you get high marks in the exam. Alright? You pass your exam. So form it into present perfect continuous. It will be you have been working all term. Alright? You have been working all term. Alright, so we have finished 1, 2, and 3. And now we will 4, 5, and 6 you do it by your own, because it is quite easy, like I have done before with 1, 2, and 3. Just to choose the word and then fill in the blanks. And if you don't sure, you can send to us. I will say if it is correct, if it is false. Alright, so now we'll get to the learner's box right now. Learner's box, page 37, second one. Present perfect or present perfect continuous. So we will have to read it right now. We use present perfect simple, not continuous, when if the action is finished and complete. The action is finished and complete. I have written a letter. I'm going to post it now. So you have written the letter and it is finished. Alright? It is completed. Not so that we will use present perfect, not continuous. Second one. If we want to say how often an action has happened, like happened 2 times, for 2 times, for 3 times, for 4 times, like the example they tell us. She has broken her leg for 3 times. She has broken her leg 3 times. So it talks about how often an action has happened. An action right over here is she has broken her leg. So alright. Third one we need to mention, we need to talk about. If there is state verbs right over there like love, like, no, blah blah blah, you will have to form it into present perfect, not continuous. Alright? I have known Joe for years. Alright? So that is the correct use. You cannot use I have been knowing Joe for years, or I have loved you since you were studying at your secondary school. But you will not use I have been loving you since. No. Alright? So that is the 3 things we need to remember. And now we'll move to the exercise number 6. We will practice it right now. Alright? So this exercise tell you to complete the email with the present perfect simple or continuous. Present perfect continuous of the verbs in the brackets. Alright, so we have to fill in the blanks with the verbs that has given as the key word. Alright, so now let's do it right now. Remember, present perfect or present perfect continuous. Alright, first one. Hi Tom, so we're halfway through the summer holiday. Blah 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 it. Blah 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 you. Blah 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 it. So it talks about an action. Okay, so it talks about an action that happened in the past, and so he wrote the letter. We are halfway through the summer holiday. So halfway means we still remain the remainder of half. So it will be still happening in the present. Alright, so we'll write have you been enjoying, because it is present perfect continuous. Have you been enjoying? Alright, so we'll be right back with we'll do the remaining sentences.